Hey YouTube, Johnny, jmharrisjr. Got the wife on the camera out here my last day in Vegas. Decided to come out to Hoover Dam. And I'm going to show you all around. Here we go. It's a long way down. That's the expressway.
I forgot that you sit like this. I forgot that you sit.
Son's
like
doing
this.
his Buddhism Zen pose because he's a little scared of the heights here.
No.
That's all right.
Nuh-uh.
That is a monster dam. That's the Colorado River. More videos to come. Hope you enjoyed it. And talk to you soon. Thanks. Hey guys, just want to show you the other side of the dam, the Lake Mead side. Here you go. One of the civil engineering wonders of the United States, I think of the world. And there you go.
Can you move out of the way for
Beautiful.
pictures and stuff? Sorry.
Nevada and Arizona. So there you go, Lake Mead.